Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the session today on November the 22nd. We are going to start with this and we are going to introduce, in this case, the new unit, that is the unit number 4. In the unit number 4, you are going to review the past simple form. You are going to review about the form of was were, the questions, and also the form of did in this case. We are going to talk about transportation, journeys, trips, holidays, and we are going to work on this, okay? So we have the land of ice and fire. What we are going to do, attention. You are going to read, you are going to listen, and later you are going to complete activity number 5 and activity number 6. Attention, you are going to read, you are going to listen, and later you are going to complete the activity number 5 and the activity number 6. In the number 5, you have to the events in order. And in the number 6, you are going to answer the questions. Okay? So, listen, please, and pay attention.
The Land of Ice and Fire by Daisy. I went on a fantastic study trip to Iceland with my school last month. Read about it below. Day 1. I got up very early this morning. I met my classmates and teachers, and then we went by train to Heathrow Airport. Our plane was on time. At Keflavik Airport, we got on a minibus and went to Reykjavik city centre. We left our bags at the hotel and then we went to the Blue Lagoon. We swam in hot springs outside in the snow. It's a geothermal pool. That means the heat comes from inside the earth. It's awesome. Day 2. I feel tired. It's only dark for a few hours here in the summer, and I couldn't sleep last night. Today, we drove to the Golden Falls, a beautiful waterfall. I took lots of photos on my mobile. There was an amazing volcano too. Day 3. Today was very exciting. This morning, we visited a glacier and then we went up a mountain in a snowmobile. In the afternoon, we went on a whale watching tour. There were lots of seals, but there weren't any whales. Day 4. I'm writing this at 11 p.m. It's still light. Today, we did a tour of Reykjavik, Iceland's capital city. It's got cool museums. We went shopping and I bought an Iceland football shirt for my brother and a troll for my mum. Day 5. We had breakfast at 4:30 this morning because we had an early flight. We arrived in London at 9:15 and then had another breakfast. Now I'm at home again.
Okay, ready? You read the information. And now, attention, and now you are going to complete it, okay? Listen, you have the next activity, activity number 5 and activity number 6. Please, activity number 5, organized in the correct order, and the number 6 that you are going to answer the questions. Please, quickly, right now, you are going to have 2 minutes, quickly, 2 minutes, and complete activity number 5 and activity number 6. Quickly, let's do it. 2 minutes. Complete in your books, quickly. Quickly, let's do it. Number 5 and number 6. Quickly. Okay, so we're going to start with the number 5. Gabriela, start reading, please.
Number the events to put them in order.
Okay, very good. We are going to help Gabriela. In this case, she's going to read information according to what she did, okay? Continue, miss.
Do I have to say the answers?
Yes, please.
Okay. Number 1 is C. She traveled by train to Heathrow Airport.
Yeah,
Number
number 2.
2 is B. She and her friends swam in hot water.
Continue.
Number 3 is H. She saw a volcano.
Okay.
Number 4 is A. She saw a glacier. Number 5 is I'm sorry, number 4 isn't the A.
Yeah.
Number 4 is G. She had a trip on boat. Number 5 is A. She saw a glacier. Number 6 is F. She bought a football shirt. And number 7 is E. She had 2 breakfasts.
Okay, that's right. Okay. So here you can find the real information. Correct the errors, please. You can correct the errors. 1, 2, and 3. Do not forget to complete information, okay? And thank you, Gabriela. Now we continue with the number 6. In the number 6, we have the questions. We have the number 6, we have the questions. And we're going to start with this, okay? Please, Deyanira Almendaris, start reading, please.
Read the blog and answer the question.
Number 1.
When was Daisy in Iceland? Daisy was on a study trip in Iceland.
Sorry. Repeat the number 2, miss, please.
What's the name of the main airport in
Iceland.
Iceland?
The reading you have. In the first paragraph, you have the information. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, any volunteer to read the number 2, please? Any volunteer? Activate your microphone for the number 2. Domenica, what about the answers for the number 2, please? In the paragraph number 1, you have the information.
Heathrow Airport.
Okay, what is the name? It's in Ireland, not in England. The airport that you mentioned is on England. Here we said on island, okay? Question number 3, Jordan. Question number 3. Jordan, activate your microphone.
What is a geothermal pool? A geothermal pool is a pool made water with the heat that comes from inside the earth.
The earth, okay, very good. Joseph Acuña, continue with the number 4.
Why was Daisy so cheery on day 2? She couldn't sleep because it only
It's only
dark for a few hours in summer in Iceland.
in Ireland, okay? Remember, if the reader says light, here we're talking about the opposite. Continue with the number 5, Aileen. Aileen, continue with number 5. Aileen, quickly. Number 5, Aileen. Antonio Barresueta, number 5. Antonio Barresueta, number 5. Antonio Barresueta. Antonio. Number 5. Antonio Barresueta, number 5. Antonio Barresueta 1. Antonio Barresueta 2. Antonio Barresueta 3. See you later. Okay, continue, please. Castro Natalie, read, please. The number 5. Castro Natalie, okay. Natalie, number 5. Hanselt, number 5. Hanselt.
What are the Golden Falls? The Golden Falls are beautiful waterfalls.
Very good. Continue with the number 6, Catherine.
How did she go up the mountain? She went up the mountain in a snowmobile.
Mobile, okay, snowmobile, right? Continue. Milton Jaramillo, number 7.
Reykjavik City Center.
Okay, Reykjavik, the capital of this, okay? So you can complete the information, you can verify the information, okay? Remember that you can check or revise again into the YouTube channel when you have uploaded the video. In this unit, we are going to work, or we're going to focus our attention in the form of get. Remember that get as a verb, what is the meaning? To abort in this case, to get when you are into something. What is the only difference that we are going to have here? That we say get on when you are in, and you are going to say get off. You are going to say get off when you are out. Remember that get on when you enter, get on when you enter, you are in the means of transportation. And the opposite that says get off when you leave the means of transportation. That is the difference. On when you are in and off when you are out. Okay? And that is specifically what we are having into this unit, the first part of the vocabulary using those verbs. Talking about transportation, we are going to have our first part of the vocabulary here. You can see here the categories. You have land, attention to the following. You have category number 1, that is land, sea, and air. Here you have the block of the words that you are going to use. Attention, ladies, you are going to use the annotate bar, ladies. You are going to use the annotate bar, ladies, and you are going to work with land and with sea. You are going to use the annotate bar, and the boys will complete air category, okay? And the boys will complete the earth category, okay? Please, quickly, start. Use the annotate bar, quickly. Hurry up, hurry up. Very good, Gabriela. Very good. Yeah. But you are doing the correct process. That's the reason why. Continue, please. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Continue, continue. Let's do it quickly, guys. Quickly. Okay, ladies, land and sea, and the boys, they are working with air information. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, excellent. Excellent. Okay, that's good. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Let's do it, let's do it. Okay, so the students are working into the categories and you are classifying. I need that you pay attention to this. Please, I need that you go to Google. You finish, ladies, almost finished. And I need that you go to Google and I need that you Google the principal words, the words that you don't understand. Okay, those new words for you. Go to Google, images, go to Google, images, and Google the words that you don't identify. Please, quickly, go to Google, and I need that you look for the images of those words that you don't identify. 2 minutes for the activity, quickly, quickly, please. Okay, let's do it. Google the words and the images, the pictures. For example, underground, example, map, for example, a coach, lorry, a tram. I need that you Google the images quickly. So you identify a planner, for example. Okay, let's do it. A judge. Okay, those new words that are for you. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Google them. Google the images. Surf in the net. Okay. Did you finish? Did you finish to look for the words? Not the meanings, only the images. I need that you identify the images. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Well, here we have the classification that we said on this. Valeria Sanchez, read the classification for land, please.
Line, bike, bus, car, boat,
Coach, coach,
horse, lorry,
minibus,
minibus, moped,
motorbike,
taxi, train, tram, underground bike.
van. Thank you very much. Underrun and van, okay? Continue with the next one, Ricardo Novoa. What about C?
Ferry, ship, jet,
Yacht. And continue with air, Ricardo.
helicopter, hot air balloon, plane.
Okay, hot air balloon. Those are the classifications of the categories. That is the vocabulary that we are going to use. Now that you classify these words, now we go to the next part, please. Now we go to the next part. Here you have around the USA. What you are going to do, it's a listening activity, but before you are going to read and you are going to complete in your books. You are going to look into the chart of the vocabulary options, car, coach, anything that you want, and you are going to complete what is the possibility of the word that you have. Later, we are going to correct the errors using the audio. Please, 2 minutes for the activity, quickly. 2 minutes, complete in your books, read and associate the possible answer. Let's do it quickly. 2 minutes for the activity, let's do it. Let's do it quickly. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Quickly. Let's do it quickly. Okay, ready? Did you finish? Let's do it, let's do it. Okay, ready? Let's do it complete, please. Okay. Are you ready? Do it, let's do it, let's do it. We almost finished. Let's do it. Castro Alexis, start reading, please.
Complete the text.
Okay, sorry.
Complete the text with travel of transport. Are on the use in 8 ways. Javier Cross traveling across the 8 different ways. First happened on the underground in New York. The call in the somewhere there. He went to Grand Central Station and to hear and to see train to Washington, D.C.
Yeah.
In Washington, he rented
a
bus and drove the New Orleans.
Stop. Remember that says and drove. Pay attention to those important words. And drove. Okay, continue.
The roads were along and empty, fantastic.
Thank
The
you.
winter,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Continue with the next one, please, Carlos.
Then he went on a relaxing bank trip on the Mississippi River.
Mississippi River, a trip to the river. Okay.
Next to put on the helmet, goggles.
Continue.
Judge.
Okay.
Next,
And
next he puts on the helmet, goggles, leather jacket, and
rode
a motorbike to
Oklahoma City. Thank you. Continue with the next one, please. Juan Cabrera. Juan Cabrera.
After that, he rode a bus to Santa Fe like a cowboy.
Like a cowboy, be careful, like a cowboy. He rode pay attention, like a cowboy.
A horse.
A horse, continue.
From there, he fled over the Grand Canyon
in
a hot air balloon.
Yeah, continue.
On the last day, he found for a plane.
Okay.
to take him to Los Angeles airport. And finally, he went home to Argentina
Bye.
by plane.
Okay, attention everybody, correct your errors, correct your errors.
Around the USA in 8 ways. Javier Cruz traveled across the USA in 8 different ways. He went on the Underground in New York. They call it the subway there. He went to Grand Central Station and took the train to Washington, D.C. In Washington, he rented a car and drove to New Orleans. The roads were long and empty. Fantastic! Then he went on a relaxing ferry trip on the Mississippi River. Next, he put on a helmet, goggles, and a leather jacket and rode a motorbike to Oklahoma City. After that, he rode a horse to Santa Fe like a cowboy. From there, he floated over the Grand Canyon in a hot air balloon. On the last day, he phoned for a taxi to take him to Los Angeles Airport. And finally, he went home to Argentina by plane.
Okay, very good. Please correct complete information. Correct and complete information, okay? Ready? Ready? Okay, so that is the form that we were using. We are going to stop for this for a moment, okay? Now, that is for the next class. We're going to stop here. We're going to stop here for today because I am in that kind of seminar in the workshop. Right now, I am sending you, because we have less than a minute to do in this case. And obviously right now I'm sending you the link, please. Quickly, copy the link, access to the link, sorry. Let's do it for the attendance. For the attendance. Nos queda menos de 5 minutos para cerrar la sesión. Por esta vez y por la capacitación en la que estoy esta semana y la próxima, vamos a trabajar solo esta primera hora. Mientras ustedes completan el formulario de asistencia, recuerden por favor que tienen disponible ya en Richmond, en la plataforma, tienen disponibles sus asignaciones. Tienen desde el día de hoy, tienen la nueva asignación, llegó hoy, se cierra el domingo. Y recuerde que tiene el test que llega el día jueves y se cierra el día viernes. Por favor, completen lo que le falte. Nuevamente hay novedades con las presentaciones. Tenemos nuevamente novedades con las presentaciones. Ya voy a llamar uno por uno de los casos que he confirmado. Lo que usted trabaja en las presentaciones es un trabajo individual del estudiante. Nadie tiene por qué plagiar o copiar. Que yo vaya a ver un ejemplo de un compañero, de una compañera, no es delito. Ah, ella lo trabajó así. Puedo trabajar algo similar, pero no copiar y pegar, porque eso se llama plagio. Le recuerdo que cuando usted ingresa y obviamente pues me hace un detalle de las personas que ingresan. Así que, por favor, yo no tengo por qué llamar ni al uno ni al otro. Simplemente yo le pongo 0 al que copió y pegó. Pero a mí, yo sí sé por qué tengo 0. Usted solito respóndase. Así que si no quiere que le ponga el 0, voy a volver a revisar. Lo voy a dejar el día de hoy. Así que si usted copió y pegó la información de otro, vaya y revise. Y le doy el tiempo de que cambie, reestructure, rediseñe. Así que por favor, y la acción es para todos. Aprenda a ser honesto y a ser responsable con el trabajo ajeno. ¿Ok? Así que, por favor. ¿Listo? Si no hay ninguna otra pregunta, chicos. ¿No hay más preguntas? ¿Alguna inquietud? ¿No? Ya sabe, complete el Student Book, complete el Workbook, complete las actividades. Recuerde que ya estamos a pocas semanas de volvernos a ver. Por fin ya podemos trabajar. Así que necesito que tenga todas sus cosas al día. Esta semana termina el plazo del video. Algunos ya lo han ido subiendo. Esta semana termina el plazo del video. Por eso la clase de hoy es chiquita también. Así que, por favor, plataforma de Richmond. La lección de la plataforma de Richmond. El video que se cierra este fin de semana. Así que, por favor, esas diapositivas en línea que trabajamos como classwork, si metió la pata, copió y pegó lo de otro, vaya a rectificar. Así que está a tiempo antes de que yo le mande la sanción. Así que rapidito, cada quien abre su cerebro y sabe qué es lo que tiene que hacer. 4, no se me atrase. No se me atrase. Así que por favor, ¿sí? ¿Inquietudes? ¿No? ¿Estamos bien? ¿Alguna pregunta? Nos falta poquitos minutos para que se cierre. No nos vamos a volver a conectar para que ustedes puedan trabajar también en sus actividades. ¿Ok? Questions? No? Okay, bye babies. See ya. Okay, let's do it. Bye.